Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix something went wrong and your PIN isn't available code 0x80280101. Click Sign In options, login with password. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Run commands one by one from description. Login with password. Click Start, Settings, click Accounts, click Sign In options, set up new PIN. Log off and log in with new PIN. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.